Hello? Are we on? Alright, just started recording, it's okay. Alright, I'm here with Colton once again.
Okay, hello.
Where is he? Where is he? Oh, he's not on my team? Alright, which team are we going on?
Hello. Here, I'll join. Change team, red.
Okay,
Okay, so
don't search up, C4. Do not.
Yes, I changed my name. It's
Blitz.
all cap, BLIT.
Here, I'll spell it for you.
Yeah, he's gonna spell in chat. I can't. He's gonna spell in chat. So,
That, right?
yeah, that's it.
Blitzed. Type that in, and yes. So, I might comment on my video. He changed his name to Blitz, so just type that in instead. So yeah.
Yeah, so I'm back with J&E Productions. We're doing another video on build a boat to treasure.
Yeah. So
We did a video on this one time I did it on a different channel, but I didn't record it. He's already done a video on this.
okay, this is beautiful. Hey.
Yes, it's beautiful. It's
Alright, just delete this. Delete it.
I'm trying to click on it to. Oh yeah, it's not mine.
Wait, how do you delete it again? I haven't played this in a while.
Then you there should be should be that little thing at the top to do it, right? Hang on. Yeah, when you click it, Jamin, when you click it, there should be a question, not a question mark, but
It's not showing that for me.
just build somewhere else.
Wait, is this yours?
No, it's not. I've tried clicking on it to delete it. And
Okay.
Just leave it there.
Okay.
It's fine. We have plenty of blocks.
Oh, dang it.
Again, you're kidding me.
What the heck?
Oh, it's just invisible.
Okay. Well, let me delete this then so he gets me here. I have to hit it in the right spot though. So annoying.
Yeah.
Alright, my storage has been really full lately, so I'm gonna keep this video 10 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna try and keep this pretty short. Not
8
too
more
long.
minutes. Let's hurry up. Alright, let's just...
Just start building walls, yeah.
Crap. Just...
No, it's fine.
It's okay, just...
We're gonna
This is going to be the best boat in existence.
Yeah, this, we're really fun.
Why do I have so many of these? Okay, I ran out. Oh man, I ran out.
Already?
Yes!
This is literally the best boat ever.
This is so cool. No! Oh my god!
Hey, I'm gonna sit down in this.
Come on, you can like try and... Wait. Get up. Yeah! I'm going to the top. No! Okay, this is secure.
I got a screenshot of it.
Okay, now I have to box myself in, so let's do this with glass.
Glass.
Okay, I have a really nice view. Look, guys.
Now it's complete. We have a door now.
Look at this. This is awesome.
This is insane.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
queen.
queen.
Yes.
Yes, queen.
Yes.
So are we ready to launch it?
Yes.
Or do we need more
We're good. No, we're
flags?
good. We're good. We're good. We are gooch. Here, let me add
You're
more.
Gucci.
Just add some more.
Bro, look at first person.
I know. First person, mine's really cool. Look.
Look at mine.
Oh my god, I'm glitching out. I'm under. Look, I'm under it. I'm literally in the glass.
Jim, look at my screen.
What? Oh my god.
This is mine.
Are you recording? Are you posting this on your channel?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to hurry this up. I'm gonna launch the boat, okay?
Okay. Go.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Oh my god!
Oh no!
Oh! No! Oh my god, I'm safe.
Are you safe? I need to get up there somehow.
I is big safe. No, I am definitely not safe.
I kind of want to get up.
Ah! Don't. Don't.
Look at him, he's about to slide off.
No! No! No!
He's
Come on,
dead.
come on. Yes!
Oh, I wish I could like turn the boat around to come back to you.
You know what? Restart. Just,
You sure?
yeah, just switch server.
Oh,
Yeah, just switch server.
let me stop recording.
Huh? No, don't stop recording. Okay, we need to make, how long? 5 minutes already?
Just
Alright, let's just make it 15 minutes. Oh, this is the same server. Okay.
I'm still on the boat.
Just reset.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bro, it literally just all destroyed in one. You'll see in the video how it just all destroyed at one at the same time.
I'll comment on the video. What do you guys want me to comment? I'll comment anything.
Hey, you're not in the same server.
I am.
Oh yeah, you are.
Just reset.
What
And
team
then
are you on?
I'm on blue.
Okay.
Oh, it matches me.
I think I might make like a all red character.
That'd be cool. You have to do it like me.
Yeah, I wanna do something like yours, like the
Yeah.
bottom.
You need red
And the head.
hair like that, so. Like, you can get like Alderite something.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get the order right one.
We'll figure it out.
I'm gonna do a red and
I'll give him like $25 to spend or something.
really?
Yeah.
You sure?
I mean, maybe. I don't know.
Bro, $25 is a lot. Bro, that gets you 100.
1 cent.
Bro, that gets you 1,600. $20 gives you 1,600.
Yeah, I have too much money though. But yeah, let me just.
If you didn't know already, Jamin might have said this, but he's saving up for core blocks.
Yep, I have 5,000 Robux.
Yeah, right now he has 5,000 Robux saved up. Yeah, do what we did last time.
Yeah, just make it even better
A
though.
mansion.
Yeah, mansion, like my piggy.
Yeah.
Dude, what if we made a recreation of my piggy game?
Imagine we had enough blocks.
We don't have the right colors
True.
and like the material.
But imagine,
That would be really cool. Right here, I placed a lot.
it'd be so much fun. So much fun.
Waste every single one of your block. Every single thing.
I got the cat. I got 10 TNT barrels. I don't know if they actually explode.
This is insane.
Bro, I can have one of those engines to control the boat.
All right, we gotta add some glass. You know me, I like that glass.
It just puts it inside of you.
Let me just. There we go. Gooch.
Hang on, I want to get this egg
Let me
at
add
the
some
top.
doors. Add some good doors, like really nice doors.
Right there.
These doors will protect us.
What doors?
All of them.
Oh, I have a door.
You get trap doors too if you have them.
I have another iron door. That's literally just.
All right, we gotta get some glass. You know me, I like that glass. All across the front of the boat. What? You can't even call this a boat, technically. Cobblestone,
Oh, I'm sitting right here.
some torches.
Come on, let me in the spot. Yes, dude, look how protected I am.
What's light? This is so light.
Look at the light.
Look at this. Am I in heaven?
Bro, we're literally in heaven.
I can't even see what I'm placing. Why does that look like molten lava?
Dude, that does. That looks like. Oh, that's cool.
I have 66 of these, so.
Bro, you have 66 lamps?
No, I don't. Not lamps. These
Oh,
stupid blocks. I have 562 of something.
Sorry if the view's bad. It's actually pretty good.
All right, this is from my perspective. Look at this. I think this is good, honestly.
Oh, I need to go in first person with this.
Yes, look, cool. Look at this first person view. Oh god.
Bro, you're glitching out.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm good. Okay, are you ready?
Oh, look at my first person.
You're gonna see that on this video. Go check it out. It's
Yeah.
awesome.
My video is literally. Oh.
There's TNT in my face.
I know, I put that TNT there.
Okay, launch. We're ready.
Look at this.
We're ready.
Okay, I'll launch
Hang on. Crap. We have like a few seconds left.
It's fine. Okay,
Okay, let's go.
2, 1.
No.
What happened?
Oh my god. Where am I? No! I can't get up. No!
No! How? Why? Get on!
No.
Get on!
No, I'm gonna die. No! I flew everywhere.
Look at this! Look at the life we're creating!
Okay, go watch the rest on his channel.
Yeah,
I wish I could spectate. But yeah. Do you want to just restart that? Look at the light!
No, I think I'm gonna post this.
You have to post
You can
that.
restart it on your channel if you want, but I'm posting this.
Yeah, you post that.
Yeah, I'm posting
I'm still recording. But yeah,
Oh, wow.
go check his view out on his channel.
Are you gonna upload that, or are you gonna...
Yeah, I might upload this.
Okay. Okay, I'm making it into the next stage right now.
Alright. I'm gonna make my own little dinghy boat.
Bro, look at all this. Is my character fine? Oh, I'm fine, bro. I swear. Just go... Jamin,
What?
this is so handsome. So handsome. Oh, I'm making it into the 3rd stage.
Alright, this is if you don't call this protected, I don't know what you are going to call it.
Need to make a roof.
I will.
Jamin, I'm in the 3rd stage.
Good for you.
Look, it's in perfect shape.
I am still in the
Look.
first stage of life.
Jamin, our pirate ship is in great shape.
You could say that.
It's a pirate ship, right?
You say great shape.
This is just...
Mine is
Can I save this
beautiful.
boat?
I think so. I don't know how. Wait, I ran out. Looks big rust. Okay. Get some anvils. Let's get a seat. Let's get a
Bro, I'm
seat.
in the 4th stage. Or the 5th one, I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, this
Bro,
is
the boat looks like it's
beautiful.
fine.
What's probably going to win.
Look. I'm in
Yeah,
the
you're
4th or
probably
5th
gonna win.
stage. There's just music attacking me right now.
Okay, yes, I am protected. I'm
I
like the
count this as
protected
the
queen.
1st attempt.
This is,
Oh, did I make it to the dragon?
I'm the most protected queen in the area.
I made it to the Kraken event. The Kraken event is live right now. No, the Crocky event.
This looks
Bro,
like
you should go check out my video and just see how it tossed me up in the air.
my first person looks like a car crash.
I'm dying. No, I'm dying.
You died.
Bro, go check my video out and see how it flung me. It flung the boat in the air.
Okay.
Just go check my video out once we're done with this. It literally just flung me in the air. Okay, so
You have to add your own seat. Add on to it. Make the boat bigger.
make it bigger.
I'm gonna add turbo engines on it.
Hey, can I get in there?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm in.
I'm adding
I
turbo
need
engines.
to make a seat for me.
Yeah, make a seat. Wait, can you fit in this one in the corner over there?
Which one in the corner? I can't see.
Go in first person. Yeah, that one.
Oh, I'm in.
Okay, there's turbo engines literally all
Okay, let me
across the
block
back.
this off.
Dude, look at the turbo engines. Look at the turbo engines.
Look at these turbo engines. Oh, that's
Dude, look
cool.
at, go first person, look at the back of you. Wait, can you see
This
the
is what I
turbo?
see when I look behind me, Jamin.
Oh my god.
I'm so, bro. Look how far behind I am from you. Look at me. Look at my screen.
Hang on. I need to add some party balloons. Yes, queen.
Bro, I can't get out of first person. Oh, there we go.
We need to add some buttons to make this
Make it
so
Gucci.
beautiful.
Bro, I'm putting TNT at the top. I don't care what you say.
Dude, there's a chair in the front of the boat, and it's in the wall.
No, I gotta protect it with my door.
Alright, we're gonna light it up, Queen. Hey, Colton, are you ready to light it up?
Light it up.
Let's light it up,
Here,
Queen.
put some of your pirate
Let's
ship
light
towers.
it up, Queen. Yes. Oh
Bro,
my
the
God.
egg is at the tippy top.
I can't see. I can't see.
Hold on, first person.
I can't see.
Oh my
Look at
God.
this. Are we still recording? Yes. This
Bro,
is-
look what it looks like when I look at you.
look at you. You're just a glowing ball.
Bro, this is...
Imagine if you see this cruising by your street.
Bro, just... I'm gonna launch it, okay?
All right, hang on.
Okay.
I need to add some of my beauty towers.
yeah.
My beauty towers. Yes.
Yes.
So queenful. What is queenful?
Beautiful. We create new words every day. We create brain cells every day.
I lose brain cells every day because of YouTube.
Okay.
Wait, you can actually get in one. No, you can't.
We're good.
Wait, I need to add some glass
Oh
because
yeah,
I like the
windows,
glass.
windows.
We need glass. You can't see anything. All right, we're good.
Okay.
We're
3,
protected like beautiful
2,
queens.
1, go.
Oh my God!
Oh crap!
We gotta launch
You
our.
fell.
We gotta launch our beauty. We're gonna end up. Oh my God, we're on fire. Yes.
So this is pretty.
All right, I think this video is a little bit longer than it should be. Yeah, 17 minutes.
I think it's worth it.
I think it is. I think you guys are gonna like this one a lot.
Yeah.
This is one of our better
Bro, look
videos.
at the balloons just at the top.
I know.
Just going in circles.
Yes.
There's just that one balloon going in circles.
Oh, it popped.
Oh, it popped. As soon as I zoomed in, it popped.
Look
Oh,
at
I
the
just realized
waterfall.
one of our pirate things is all the way at the
Yeah.
front.
They're beauty towers.
Queenful towers. I just
What
love
should we name our amazing boat?
the CJ.
The
CJ's the CJ channel. I don't know.
the USS Queen Frog. The
The USS Queen.
USS Beauty, because it has beauty towers on it.
No, the USS Queenful. The USS Queenful. That's the name, USS.
Oh God, we're taking heavy fire.
I'm gonna go in first person for a second. Do you hear this?
We're on fire! Look!
Hit.
Look! Shh. Oh yeah, I forgot. I think my volume's turned down. Hopefully it is. Yay, okay. Dude, turn your volume down. They probably can't even hear you. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
This is insane. We're just spinning around.
This is actually, bro, I'm gonna make it to the stage.
Look, we're gonna get hit by a
No, I'm
candy
dying!
thing.
I'm dying!
No, you're dying?
I died.
Wait, come on, get me hit. I want to hit. No, okay.
I couldn't. Oh, that's cool. I wish I could spectate you.
You can look at my screen. Okay, I'm on the USS Beauty.
Okay, if you're watching me, if you just originally are watching me on this channel, go visit his channel, Janie Productions,
Yes, please, and
to
subscribe.
see him surviving. Go subscribe to his channel.
What is happening?
25 subs, I think.
Wait, you got to this one, right?
Oh, yeah. I don't remember the chocolate stage or the candy stage.
Yeah, I remember looking at your screen. It was like red water.
Yeah, I remember the music stage, and I got past the music stage.
Okay, so as we have learned today,
I almost got past the stage.
you just need to spam all of your blocks.
Yeah, just put all your blocks.
Oh my God!
Do you see how fast you die?
I didn't die. I'm still inside of the
No, I mean
USS.
like how fast your boat gets destroyed. You'll see, because the
All right, this is my first.
the tentacles
person.
will grab you. I'm not joking.
Yeah, it will. It just snapped off half of the boat. Oh my god!
See? You have no seat.
Oh no. No! No! Oh my god, I'm still living. Oh my god.
Stay on there,
Oh
Captain.
my god, oh my god, oh
Go
my god.
visit his channel. He is still alive.
No! No! No, I'm gonna die. I died. No.
Okay, I'm gonna... Okay, I need to die real quick so I can meet you.
All right, well, there goes that opportunity of winning. But, yeah.
I think it was a good attempt.
I'm going to start posting more often on this channel, so stay tuned for that on mine.
Hey, Jamin.
What?
Want to see something cool?
It's an egg? Oh my god! No! No!
No! No, die. Die. Please.
Yes! Haha.
Just imagine you ride the egg to 50. Hang on, I need to do something.
We need to ride this.
I can't build.
You can't?
Yeah.
All right,
So that's the end of this video.
yeah, that was pretty fun.
Hope you guys enjoyed, which I think you did.
This was
See
really
you
fun
next
to make.
time. We're probably gonna do another video of this.
Yep.
I'll be posting either tomorrow or on Thursday.
What days are you going to post?
I was planning on posting on Minecraft on Mondays. Then
Minecraft
Thursdays
Mondays.
and Fridays, Roblox. But this
Thursdays
one,
and Fridays. Ooh. I might do that.
so that's the end of the video right now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Bye. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. So, yeah. Turn on notifications. And bye-bye, stupids.